Hey guys, it's Rebecca, and in this episode, we are going to go over how to make the suspension apparatus in a hammock mode. That's what we call it in my Pilates Suspension Method, and I get asked that at least a couple times a week. So let me show you the way I like to put it in hammock mode. It's a safe, a quick, and effective way. All right, so from here, we're going to make the straps all the way long. Now you could definitely do this standing, but I'm just doing it kneeling for demonstration purposes, so maybe you can see it a little bit better. So I like to hold the handles where my palms are smiling at each other. The right handle I put on top of the left and thread it through. Then I repeat, right handle on top of the left, thread it through. Now I like to make sure it's secure, so I pull this apart above the handles and right below the clips. Okay, all right, and that is how you put the suspension apparatus in hammock mode.